Hi everybody, it's Rob from Jersey again. This is day 2 of the cotton ball microgreen experiment. So let me just bring you up to speed. So this is day 2. This is what it looks like with the soil. The microgreens are starting to germinate, and that is in the soil mix right there. And those are the pea shoots. And these are the pea shoots in the cotton. And they're germinating at the same rate. Again, this is the salad mix. Now this is also in the cotton. And you can see they're starting to germinate. Really, really good right there. And this is in the soil, the peat moss and topsoil mix. Right there, they're also starting to germinate. You can see they're just a tiny bit taller than the ones in the cotton if you go side by side. They've started to come up just a little bit. They're winning the race right there. So, all right, so that's that. And I don't see any difference with the germination rate as far as like it, from the cotton on the sunflower microgreens as opposed to the soil peat moss mix right now. We'll know when they start to pop up in the next couple of days. But anyway, it's Rob from Jersey, and that's my microgreen cotton ball medium experiment test, or whatever you want to call it. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.